Water wheels are turning, slowly made of oak and blood. Men arrive with broken boulders, pulled from sleeping cliffs above. Not to fight the stone with hammers, but to teach the stone to love.
1,000 arms of timber swinging through the mist, following a hidden language long forgotten by the years. The river cut the megaliths tonight, copied every curve and line, turning mountains into puzzles, one reflection at a time. No one saw the workshop fading, no one wrote the system down. Only walls still standing silent, high above the fallen town.
Copper blades are breathing, fed with quartz and flowing rain, tracing every contour
Over and over again.
One stone learns another,
Every surface leaves a guide.
what was hollow becomes a shoulder.
What was outside moves inside. No miracle is needed, no forgotten gods descend. Only water, wood, and patience, following the shape again. The river cut the megaliths tonight, copied every curve and line, turning mountains into puzzles, one reflection at a time. No one saw the workshop fading, no one wrote the system down. Only walls still standing silent, high above the fallen town. 3 dimensions in the moonlight, timber skeletons that sway, a pentagraph beneath the moonlight, carving centuries away. Every block becomes a question, every joint becomes a clue.
Perhaps the answer isn't hidden,
Perhaps we're looking straight through. The river cut the megaliths tonight,
while the stars moved overhead. Every wall became a memory,
long before the builders fled.
and the wheels have long since vanished, rotting somewhere in the ground. But the stones still keep the secret in the silence
Of lost machinery.